guys, welcome back. I have a different type of video for you guys today, a little bit more action-packed. I'm hoping. So today we're actually gonna go take the truck off-roading and see how the tires do. Now, I haven't actually seen the hole where we're going yet, and I was told it's a trail and a couple of other things, so I have no idea yet. I'm just going off of what I heard, so just something to do to kind of break up the content a little bit. I am definitely really bored, not doing much, so I figured what better way to go have some fun than do this, break some parts, have some fun. So we'll see how today goes. Let's get into the video. I don't think a dually's supposed to be back here because, like,
no, dually's your highway. Just like
yeah, that guy was having a good time. Let's see. Oof. Oh man. All right. Got to make sure I don't smack the front diff off of these fucking rocks. Like, this is a bad road. Whew. All right, he's coming back. Okay, so I caught, oh, I ripped the light out. Oops. Put that back in. I caught a couple trees in the... This isn't too bad. I like the shirt. Thanks. Alright, we're going for it. See, my four-wheel drive lever, like, it tries to go in, but it won't.
not even in force.
Oh God. Which one? Yeah, that probably will. All right. Alright. So, oh, I gotta grab my phone so I can hear him. Here, just go nuts for a couple minutes. I'll film you. We'll see what, are you in 4?
No, I was.
You're gonna get stuck. Oh no. Oh no.
Do you have a pro strap?
You got to keep going forward and backwards. Cut it. Now slam it in reverse. No, keep going, keep going. Told you you'd get out. All right, I need to get under mine and put it in 4-wheel. All right, so my 4-wheel drive actuator doesn't work. So I'm gonna have to get under the truck, pull the motor off, and then pop it in 4. He's just having a good old time. I think that's 4 low.
Oh, he's getting stuck.
Off that whole time.
You had it up to the frame right there.
Yeah, no.
What? No. Just making sure I didn't break anything.
I was amazed.
I want to see you sink this thing. Come on, you got this. Oh God.
Let's go places.
Oh shit. We'll have to hang that up quick. That's the wire. Where'd he go? That's the wiring for the backup camera. You have AC, right?
Yeah, I do.
Because I don't.
I'm surprised it does, but it does.
Yeah, this is like, oh Jesus! We need skid plates or some shit.
I do have a skid plate.
See, I don't know when to stop. I just run shit over.
Ooh, fuck. And this is where we usually sink.
Something's yelling at you.
VSC. I just fixed the traction control.
All right, go through there. No,
No, there's no way we're getting out.
the chain and a hydro-locked motor.
See, like, this is what I was talking about right here. After this,
Oh fuck!
and then there's this over here. If you can make it through the first one. There's a big rock right there. Let me avoid that middle rock. I believe in you, Toyota. Let's go places.
I have the back windows blocked off in mine.
Fucking, this thing's nice. You can just put down the back window. Like that.
Yeah, I wanted to go over this and my truck kept going down over that. Oof.
And then there's that right there. Do you want to see the uphill part? Oh, they went that way. It just doesn't feel right being in such a large vehicle for this.
It's such a tractor. Jesus. Yeah, that's 4 low.
You got the stick too. Nice touch.
We should definitely put the windows on. Nice and crunchy. All right.
You don't fucking break it. Oh God.
Say tree.
Episode 3 of restoring my Hotshot truck.
Yeah.
We're starting over.
Yeah. Fucking yeet.
At least I got you content for today.
Oh God. Yeah, I'm just fucking going. I don't even care. I'll break it.
No, don't break it. Easy. Fucking easy.
It hit my mirror.
Oh, I gotta remember to censor myself. There are kids watching.
Oh, I don't care.
Yes, you do.
How bad is it?
Toyota?
I may have went a little too hard there. The tires started rubbing. Eh, it's all right. Oh shit.
Dude, you literally put me in the air in the seat.
Yeah, I know, me too. Jesus. Oh, look at the light on the roof.
You act like you're fucking sponsored.
I drive like I'm sponsored.
Put me out. I swear all the brothers.
Alright, light's fixed. Alright, one more. Let me get that from the outside. I'm gonna try to break it.
You want me to drive it?
No, fuck no.
Front lip. You had one goal to knock this off.
Ah, the front lip is sitting in that mud puddle. How high did I get on air? Look. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's smacking around hard. Really hard.
Oh, I don't care.
Well, take it off.
It's just a truck.
Hey, 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 hey.
Yeah, there's my front lip right there.
You smacked it hard, like right here. I don't know how it made it that far.
I was just waiting to see what happened to the oil pan. Yeah, look, there it is. Socks are soaked. You know what? Fuck it.
I'll get it.
Nope, got it.
Oh my dear Lord.
Oh, God. Hold on. I already got it. So, my question, oh yeah. Oh shit.
Did I damage anything?
Yeah, I don't know yet.
I was like, I need to miss that rock, and
There's a tick on your fucking, right? Oh, that's not a tick, that's a ladybug.
I get
dually.
I get style points or something.
Oh. You hit me in the leg. I shouldn't have sold my off-road bumper.
Yeah, poor choice. Bad timing.
Yeah, bad timing. Oh God. I'd chill for a while. What's your temp? Look at all this.
It's metal.
Yeah, once you get off that rock that's like right there, it just dunks. All right, so for shits and giggles, I'm gonna go in 2-wheel drive because if I put it in 4-wheel drive, I'm a little aggressive. Like, look at this guy, he's down to the bumper. So I put it in 2-wheel so that I don't beat the shit out of it. We'll see what those tires really do in 2-wheel drive.
Go home.
Oh, he's digging. Oh, he's so digging. Alright, now what I want you to do is I want you to do a get out and look at your front end. You're digging. Now, get under that frame and put it in 4, you dumbass. Or get the chains.
I think she's all right. What do you think?
No, you're not getting out of that. maybe in a couple, 15, 20 minutes maybe, but no, you're not getting out of that. Watch this master at work. I installed mud tires on my highway vehicle.
Fucking front sunk.
You silly goose. Oh, oof, that was a deep one. I'd just get the chain.
I didn't bring one.
You didn't bring one?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, you know what you're doing. I see what you're doing.
All right, so like I said, you got to crawl underneath this thing to put it in 4-wheel. Now, keep in mind, I did expect to get stuck. He's gonna come to the front. Nope, it's at 100% now. Back her up. Stonks. All right. No, you're good. Here, come here and film this. Actually, I don't know how we're even gonna film this.
That's what I mean.
All right, so we got the chains going. Hold on, don't go anywhere yet. I'm just gonna film from inside the cab. When I beep, go, and then when I beep again, stop. All right, man, try not to dirty up my nice interior. Just kidding, don't give a shit. All right, let's see if I can't do this. idiot. I told him not to do that. Yeah, when I said stop, I meant stop. Don't rip my bumper off.
You should have came with me.
No. I was already in neutral. All right, here, hold this.
I forgot how short the fucking chain was too.
Fuck the crane.
Yeah, took it off.
Wait, that hammer. What do I do with it?
I think you left it up there.
No, it's right here. Okay, so I came around in two-wheel drive and decided to go on the upper path, which both of these paths were pretty stupid in two-wheel drive. So I ended up getting up there and then getting stuck, right? And then I backed down and sunk the crane into the hill. Like, you can see where all the marks are. So I got underneath it, put it in four-wheel drive, and then just slammed it, and it finally went through, like this guy. Yeah, it was a pretty good save, I think. Mine. Mine.
See me almost roll?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I dug the hill pretty good. All right, well, I think before we break anything, I do think that this video is long enough at this point. We had killed a GoPro battery doing this. This definitely won't be the last time, but I don't think next time we're gonna go as crazy. This was just, it's been a while since I've actually just been able to go and let loose. I'm covered in mud. I knew I should have brought spare clothing, but oh well. The crane here has seen better days. As you can see, I kind of bent it, so it's actually cocked towards the bumper there. So, which actually might be a better placement for it anyway. Jesus! Sorry, got you guys a little dirty there. But I think I'm gonna put the four-wheel drive motor back on. And yeah, this is, I'm curious to see how this comes out in editing, because this is the first time using this camera outside. Just look at it, he's having fun. So, not that it mattered that I painted the wheels like 3 days ago. I think the front lip might have to stay off. I want it back on, but unfortunately, I don't think it's meant to be there. What do you think? The front lip, yeah, I love the front lip, but I don't think it's supposed to be there. But I am impressed that these stayed in. Well, that's probably gonna do it, but I'm gonna film a little bit going down the hill, and then we're gonna get out of here. This thing is just trashed. You've been steaming.
Oh, okay. It's just water.
So, whoops. Here, listen. It whistles. There's a whistling. You're telling me about hydro. The only thing in this engine bay not soaked is the filter. That's horrible.
K&N salesman, sponsor me.
It's the it's because of this, I guess. Yeah, that's interesting.
It was covered in antifreeze before too.
No, whose is dirtier? Take your votes down in the comments. And who did more damage? I guess that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys, and have a good one.